Alright, so now we have seen the basic structure of a web page. So we are going to create one for ourselves. So I am back on my Hello World project, and just to be sure that we are editing the right file, I will change the text of my Hello World file. So instead of Hello World, I will write here hi, and I will save this file by pressing Ctrl plus S command. And in my browser, I need to reload this file by clicking on this arrow button. So you will notice that the changes are being reflected on my web page. So let's create an HTML file that looks roughly like the example that we had seen on the website example.com. So now I am actually going to start with the HTML tag, and notice that my text editor here nicely predicts what I want to say, which is really handy. So I'm going to select HTML from this list, and the closing tag is also provided by the text editor. So let me include some gap between these two tags so it will be nice to work with it. Notice that we haven't added the doc type HTML tag, which is not necessary to add, but if you want, you are free to add it. Now, can you remember the next section that comes in a HTML document? It is, of course, the head section. So we will include a head tag. Now notice I have intended my head tag by pressing the tab button, and that just allows everything to look a little bit nicer, and you can see very clearly that anything that is intended is present inside the HTML tags. So the next section that comes after the head tag is the body tag. So after the head tag we are going to include body tags. So that's all. This is the basic structure for our HTML page. So we have these HTML tags. This is the ending tag for HTML. Then we have this head tags. So basically head tags gives us the information about the document, like the title and some other specific information. Then comes the body tag. So body tag basically stores the content of a web page, and basically this is just the structure. So if I just save this file and I want to see it in my browser, so you will see it's actually completely empty because we don't have any content here. So a very quick challenge for you: can you just add some content that appears here on this browser page? So just pause the video and give a try. Okay, so I hope you added the content inside the body section. So this we have already discussed in the previous video, that if you want to include some plain text on your web page or on your website, so you have to include P, that is paragraph tags, and we will just add a simple line. So we will say welcome to my web page. Then we just need to refresh our save our file and refresh our browser. So you will see we get plain text on my web page. Okay, then my final challenge to you is, can you add a title to our web page? So just pause the video, give it a try. Okay, so I hope you have added the title inside the head section. So we will include the title with the help of title tag, and let's give a title as my web page. Then we need to save this, so I will press Ctrl S and I will reload this file on my browser. So you will not notice anything on the body of the web page, but you will notice that above the tag now we have a title, that is visible to us. So that was a basic HTML document. Notice that I haven't used meta tags here. You are welcome to put them, but I'm not going to keep these meta tags because I want to keep things simple. So I'm just going to keep what is necessary, and I tried to make it as simple as possible. So this is our first structured web page. In the next video we are going to add some styling with the help of header tags. So we'll see you in the next one.